Now that you're building components inside PowerApps, it's more important than ever before to adopt some best practices. This will allow your components to scale, to adapt to any situation. We'll be starting from square one, and these are best practices you may already be doing, but they're also helpful to some newcomers to PowerApps. One of the first things that you do when you create a component is to insert controls that are going to be a part of it. But you might end up with something like this, where you have 6 buttons with the exact same look and feel and function. Big idea number 1. Anytime that you see repeated controls, think about using a gallery instead. This reduces the number of controls that you have, and it makes your app a lot more performant. So let's go ahead and walk through these steps. Instead of using 6 different buttons, I'm going to be hiding these buttons that exist, and then I'll replace them with a gallery instead. I'll insert a gallery. This time I'll use a blank vertical gallery. I'll size it and move it where I need it to be. I'll copy one of those buttons and turn it visible. Then I'll change the template size and padding to what I need. I'll make its template size 70 pixels, and I'll remove the template padding. Right now, there are 4 items in this sample table. I'm going to replace that sample table. I'll be copying over a table that I have in Notepad. Now I'll configure that button so that it shows the right text. So I'll go to that text property, and instead of saying home, I'll change it to this item.value, which is the column in my table. To show you the difference here, I'll show those buttons again. And instead of having 6 different controls on the screen, now I only have that gallery and the button that's inside that gallery. So it's much more efficient, much more performant.